Okay, I love my desk area. However, it always ends up like a pigsty because I have nowhere to put things. I do have a couple cubbies over here, but it just doesn't work. So I ended up getting this desk topper right here, and I'm so excited to use it. So let me show you what it looks like. I'm gonna organize some things, and we'll see if it helps fix my disaster of a desk. Okay, look how much better it is, and I still have so much room to add things on kind of those empty shelves. I just didn't really have much where I needed to put away. So I'm excited because it makes it look so much neater and not so cluttered, and it's the same amount of stuff, and everything has a little home for it now. So the things that I like didn't want visible, like electronics and stuff, I put them in these little drawers that it came with, which is super convenient, and this is kind of just like my junk drawer. But look at, you can fit, this is my vinyl stuff, so you could fit a whole piece of paper here and stack papers. I am gonna do a little bookshelf right here. I have to get a couple more books, and then I have empty spots, and then this is just like some of my skincare stuff. But it looks so good. There are so many different spots for you to place things, so it gives you so much more space, and then you can even utilize the top piece too. Like, I have headbands that I don't really use very often, but I wanted accessible, so I just put it on top there. You could also put some cute decor on here as well, but love it. Super simple to put together. My husband did it for me, and he said it was very basic directions to follow, and everything was exactly as it said. So really good. It's sturdy too. I didn't want to place something on my desk that was gonna like topple over, but it's nice and sturdy, so really well made, good quality. The brand actually sent it to me, and I was so excited because I knew my desk was a disaster and I wanted something to kind of help organize it, and this is exactly that.